What's up, guys? It's Bella, and today they are working on our house because our sewers are backed up. But it makes the house smells like roadkill had a baby with deviled eggs and ate that and pooped it. Then ate that again and then barfed it up. Do you know what that would smell like? If you don't, come to my house and then you can find it. But here is a quick tune-up on my life. I know I haven't done very many videos, but, well, here's a tune-up. First, I left my school that I went to before, and now I go to a different school. Sorry, on the iPad. Second, I turned 10 like 5 months ago. January. I'm not going to say the exact date, but that's the month. Excuse my double chin. Third, I broke my ankle. I'm not wearing my cast right now, but that's the foot. You can tell right here that it's broken, and I also got a big bruise right here. Can't see that. See my foot? Big bruise, and it's broken. But, whoa. Oh, I got a zit. But, that's really all that's going on with my life right now. So, yeah, bye.